Good afternoon, students. Today, class on preparation of pills. In previous class, discussing about introduction to pills, formulation of pills. Today's class discussing about pills. In preparation of pills involves various steps. There are preparation of pill mass. Second one is rolling, cutting, and rounding. Third step is coating. Coating involves various types: varnishing, sugar coating, and enteric coating. The final step in preparation of pills is packaging. First step is preparation of pill mass. This is the first step involved in preparation of pills. Pills are prepared by using following process. Mix all the solid ingredients in ascending order of their weights in a pill mortar. Add any liquid ingredient are present and mix thoroughly by trituration process. Add fluid or semi-solid excipients a little at time with trituration until form a uniform pill mass. Once the mass is completed, peel from the side of the mortar. Remove the mass from the mortar, kneaded between the fingers. This is the process involved in preparation of pill mass. The second step is preparation of pills is rolling, cutting, and rounding. The process involved in preparation of pill mass: weigh the required quantity of pill mass, then rolled out on the flat board of the pill machine to exact length of the number of pills is required. By use of pill pipe, the form should be perfectly cylindrical in order to prepare pills of equal size. By the use of cutter, pill mass is converted into equal parts. The cutter is usually dusted with powder to prevent the adhesion of pills to the cutter. The cutter is usually liquefied powder is used for dark pills and kaolin for light pills. The cut part of pill pipe is made round with pill rounder. The talc is used to dust the pill to make them rotate easily and smoothly. The rounded pills are then placed on the pill rounder and gently rubbed with a powder paper to remove the talc. Dispense the pills in pill box or subjected to coating if it is required. This is a process involved in rolling, cutting, and rounding of pills. The third step is coating. Coated pills are often more stable than uncoated pills. They are more elegant to improve their elegance. The following types of coatings are done on pills. There are varnishing, sugar coating, enteric coating. First step is coating is varnishing. Sandrac varnish is used as a varnishing agent in formulation of coating in coating step. This type of coating can be done by using hand. Varnishing agent containing the following ingredients: sandrac 1 part, absolute alcohol 2 parts, and ether 2 parts. Dissolve sandrac in absolute alcohol and ether in closed bottle by occasional shaking. Decant the clear liquid to remove debris. Method. Second step is sugar coating. This coating is not done by hand using special operator on large scale process. Sugar is applied in the form of dilute syrup. The following type of materials are used for small scale Mixture A and mixture B solutions can be used. Mixture A contains syrup and mucilage of acacia in equal parts. Mixture B contains sugar in fine powder 7 parts and starch is 1 part. These are the various types of materials used for sugar coating in preparation of pills in small scale process. The process involved in sugar coating is spread sufficient quantity of mixture B to cover the bottom of a cover pot. Moisten the pill with mixture A and drop them into the pot and rapidly rotate it for 1 minute. Transfer the pills into clean pot, again rotated. This process involves detach any loosely held powder. The pills is allowed to dry for 10 minutes. This process is repeated for 2 to 3 times. Two pills are having sufficient white finish to the pills. After drying the pills, finally polished by the rotating them in clean pot containing small ball of spermaceti. This is a process involved in sugar coating. Next one, enteric coating. This enteric coating prevents the pill from disintegrated in the stomach but also breaking up in the stomach. Example of enteric coating materials. The following materials are used for enteric coating of pills: keratin, shellac, xylol, stearic acid, gelatin combination with formaldehyde. In nowadays, cellulose acetate phthalate is also used as a enteric coating material for pills. Enteric coating favors the drug, causes irritation to the stomach. Drugs decomposed or destroyed by the stomach in acidic medium. Action of medicament required in intestine. Drugs having higher absorption at intestine. For these reasons, drugs having the following reagents are used for enteric coating of pills. Packaging. Pills are finally packed in shallow circular pill box with flanged edges. These box of pills on top and bottom placed a disc of wax paper or thin circle of cotton wool. The box should be having large space to prevent. Take all the pills in one layer to prevent them losing their shape. This is the steps involved in preparation of pills. Next one, examples. Pills of yellow. By observing the following example, prepare and dispense 10 pills of yellow as per British Pharmacopoeia. The formula contains yellow finely divided powder 58 grams, hard soap 29 grams, oil of caraway 3 ml, syrup of liquid glucose 10 grams are sufficient quantity. The procedure involved in preparation of yellow pills is: weigh the calibrated quantity of yellow hard soap, mix them in pill mortar, add liquid ingredient of oil of caraway, prepare pill mass with syrup of liquid glucose, weigh the required quantity of pill mass and rotate it on pill tail to make the pill pipe. Cut the pill pipe into 10 pills, round it, and with pill rounder dispense them in pill box. The second example is prepare and dispense 20 pills of ferric carbonate BPC. It is also called as blood pills. The formula contains exaggerated ferrous sulfate agitated sodium bicarbonate, tragacanth fine leaf powder, acacia fine leaf powder, liquid glucose and distilled water. The process involved in preparation of blood pills is mix extracted ferrous sulfate, liquid glucose and water. Add extracted sodium carbonate and allow it to stand for 10 minutes until the reaction is completed. The completion of reaction can be observed by change the color up to pale green. Add tragacanth and acacia powder to form a pill mass. Roll the pill mass into pill pipe and prepare the required number of pills. These are the various steps involved in preparation of blood pills. By observing the following diagram contains marketed available pill mass, Blad's iron pills containing ferrous carbonate as per BPC, British Pharmacopoeial Codex. Thank you. This class discussing about preparation of pills and examples. Thank you.